Ooh, 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 I just heard a really big screech. It sounded like Dana on the tractor. I'm calling it quits for the day, guys. Well, not quite yet. I'll dump out the rest of the shit that I got in the back of the truck down there in the garbage pile. I've got implements everywhere. And there's more implements down here. We're going to go down and see what Dana's doing, because I've been running firewood. Actually, let me show you what we got so far today. And this isn't all of it, but we got some split here. Look, all the tile is down to the pile. Almost all of it. A little tiny bit left. I'm starting to be able to see my front porch. I got that stupid tree growing back in the cactus. I'm gonna cut him out. We have not got it all stacked yet, but we also got this done today. This and this. Yes, that is the platform from the bathtub, but it keeps the wood off the ground. And then, look at what I got over here. Finally brought the fire ring up. And then there's a couple of really crappy old sawhorses that are going to get burnt up. And then a lot of this wood is really soft. So this I'll just use for campfire wood. But yeah, look at this. It's gonna be like a park-like setting. If you haven't seen the bottle wall from the outside, I had a couple of people ask like if the whole outside of the house was cob, and you can see though it is cinder block, but there is cob, as I said, all the way up to the base of that window and starting up here. Now on the other side of the house, it's all the way to right there, all the way up. So yes, it is kind of an earthship, kind of, sorta. Just needs a lot of work. A whole hell of a lot of work. But I'm starting to get my wood stockpiled for the winter. But I'm going to have to go tomorrow. We've got to go into town. Laundry day again. And we're going to get Dana a new chainsaw blade. Look at the Egyptian walking onions are coming back already. That's good. It had to get mowed down though. It was at that point. It was just such chaos out here. Well, if you saw the first tour of my new home video, the weeds were out halfway onto the porch. So yeah, it's a big difference. Let's go down here by the other RV and see what Dana's doing, because I can hear him over this direction-ish. And then I got one more trip down, dump the crap out of the back of the truck, and I've got to run down into town real quick and get a couple quick items, because currently, if you've been watching any of the other Homestead videos here at the Homestead, currently I have one spoon and it's really pissing me off. So there are a few items on my list I'll be able to do just getting them at the Dollar General. I'm not going all the way over to Iowa today. I'm just gonna head right down to little old Fulton. Now where in the hell has he gone to? Now he's up cutting paths out here in the jungle outside here. Another next season project. Pretty badass huge hoop house though, huh? A hell of a nursery I got going. Dana is down here getting this field mowed down for me so that I can get into some of my other implements here, because like the scraper and stuff, I'm gonna be needing that this winter. And pretty soon, I'll be breaking that out. See, there's that other crazy ass freaking bathtub. The size of that thing. I would say it's 10 foot long, probably. That'll be a water feature, for sure. Look at this crazy man. Look at this wild man. I've never seen anybody that loves to mow as much as this guy does. Look at him smiling. He's like, I got caught mowing again. Look. I brought the tractor down here and got a bunch of the garbage cleaned out. Found a lawnmower. I knew that was there. Many people have tried to resurrect this one and get it running again. It don't run. Battery's toast, and I don't know what all else. But I heard you hit something.
Oh, just a little stick.
Just a little stick?
Yeah.
Usually when you say that, it's a huge branch.
No, it's only about that big.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude. Found some more firewood.
Yep, found some more firewood.
That's good. You didn't happen to hit any of those, did you?
No. No, that noise it makes, it's when it pushes this thing up so far.
Yeah.
The belt starts squealing.
Yeah, I was just parking the tractor. I'm going to do my last dump. I'm going to take... Actually, I ended up picking up another load of crap down by Keena's area.
Good.
And then now I'm going to take the truck over, dump the truck out, and then I'm going to run down to the Family Dollar real quick.
All right.
So, because I know you're going to be mowing for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And then I'll fire up the Barbie.
Might as well use up the gas on it.
Yeah.
Got about a half a tank. A touch less than half a tank.
Are you cutting trails?
Yeah, I figured I'd go down the road a little bit.
Over by Jakey's place?
I only went to where it forks off.
Oh, okay.
That's about as far as...
Ow. Wow. That's cool.
Move this hose so it's out of the middle of the road and stuff like that. Push it off to the side.
Yep. That's going to be, back in this area, it's going to be where there's going to be the more, we'll say, quote-unquote, permanent camping sites. And the little tiny houses are going to go back in there. Nice, in the nice wooded area where it's nice and cool back in there. You don't want people sitting there sweating their butts off all summer. All right, man. I'm heading back to the truck again. One more load, and I'm done for today, bro. I'm done for today, then.
You're done for the day?
I'm freaking going to be done for the day. Hey, if you spot a picnic table... Dude, I swear I don't see no damn picnic table in here.
There's a picnic table back there?
There is supposedly a picnic table in here, and a decent one at that, supposedly. But I can't walk through it with my leg and my foot. But I don't see it, dude. I see a whole bunch more rotted out pallets.
That could be the picnic table.
No, that's pallets. That part's pallets. I do not see no damn picnic table. Brandon said it was right outside the back corner. I don't see no damn picnic table.
I don't know, it's thick in there.
It's pretty thick.
Yeah. I went in as far as my tires would let me, and then the tires started spinning.
Yeah.
And then as soon as it just started roaring, then I just backed up.
Yeah. This is a job for the tractor. Well, sorta, after I get all the pallets out of there.
Yeah.
All right, well, you have fun. I'm going to go back down to the field. I cannot, dude, I'm so sore. I'm so done.
That was a lot of work today.
I'm barely moving, man. But you know what we're doing tonight?
What?
First campfire ever.
First campfire on Monarch Harbor.
Yeah, I've never had one here. This will be my first one.
Well, we're going to have one tonight. You got to get some marshmallows?
I could get some marshmallows while I'm in town.
Get too many marshmallows. I don't do too many marshmallows. A couple s'mores would be pretty good, though, wouldn't it?
Oh, it won't focus. There's raspberries. Oh, dude.
Good?
No, they're good, man. there's more up in here, which I can't get to it.
Is there anything into that barn? Is there anything into that hoop house?
It's hard to say, bro.
I'll just go slow. I'll get you a path cut to the hoop house.
All right. Yeah, I've made it like a few feet into the hoop house, and that's it. No, dude, there's shit everywhere, dude. Yeah, there's a log here. There's a weed barrier all over the place. No, I'll have to do this with the weed eater, slow and steady. All right, I'm going, man. Going down to the field now. And tomorrow's order of business for me is to weed eat all of this down. And take the loppers and cut all these little trees down. All these little saplings that have grown up next to the house. Oh. Holy crap, guys. I'm barely moving. I'm so damn tired. So tired. Yeah, things are getting better every day, which is really great. It is a really great feeling. Oh God, I hope I left my keys in here. Da-da-da. I left the keys in here. All right, I'll take you on a ride. Might as well come with, guys. Might as well. Oh, copyright strike. All right. Oh man. Yep. I am dog ass tired. Alright. Take a hard left here. Past all the peaches. Oh, that's right. I can't go through here now. Because Miss Keena. See where he's at right now? Where that's flagged out? Here, let me zoom in. See where that's flagged out? There's a shipping container getting dropped off. I believe next week, actually. I'm pretty sure. But Keena is building a sorry guys, I'm trying to back up and hold the phone. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a good thing it's 4x4 in case I get stuck. She's building a container house. A tiny house out of a shipping container, and I believe she's starting with one, and then we've been talking about it, and she's probably going to do the one with 3 where you set 2 down parallel to one another and then set one up on top of it, and that will end up being her office up top for her photography studio. And I'm not going to be able to take a right either. I'm blocked in every direction I go today. That's all right. Ugh. Sorry, guys. Again, I'm moving very, very, very slow. But this can't be in the middle of the road. That's not a good parking spot. Okay. Holy crap, man, I can barely even move this thing. Yeah, I'm definitely done for the day. Yeah, a lot of driving in circles. But I've probably taken at least 10 tractor, like front end of the tractor, loads of garbage down to the garbage pile, which is really starting to get big. Really, really big. Oh, Keena must have taken off. Her car's gone. Have to take the long way around. Gonna take the long way around. Look at how much we got done. You can't really tell here because we didn't get into that part yet, and we didn't start that one. That's going to be tomorrow after we get a new chainsaw blade. But we got all the logs except for a couple little pieces out over here for going down into the first of the apple and peach orchards. But this was mainly the area we focused on today, which got quite a bit done. We'll probably fire that back up and do a little more still, I would imagine. Because TIH, this is homesteading. You just keep going. I hope everybody adopts that. That would be pretty cool if I actually came up with something that somebody actually else used besides me. TIH, this is homesteading. Right down here, this is also homesteading. Huge piles of garbage. Now, I would have never let it got to this point, but yeah, this is for when the dumpster comes in. And scrappers. There's a little bit of scrap. But look at the view out here, folks. It'd be wonderful for camping. People are really going to enjoy camping. Alright, well that's it for now. You don't need to watch me unload garbage and pile it into my heaps of garbage piles. But I will have another video later, because we're going to have the first ever campfire at Monarch Harbor under new ownership. And I'm going to throw some hot dogs on the grill. I made homemade chili last night, so we're going to have chili cheese dogs this evening. Alright, well, this is me signing off, and I will talk at you later.